So good we discuss also the pros of doing the films now. Since in Sinag we really give prioritization to films, especially to regionals and also to documentaries. How does it feel na now we're doing premiere, we're doing galas, and especially now it's part of for competition?
When I was doing the documentary, sabi ko, ito yung pinoramis ko. I don't know kung sinabi ko kay Doy. Sabi ko, magkakaroon tayo ng premiere and it's just going to be just a premiere. So we were able to do that. Sabi ko, magpapalabas tayo sa Met. And it happened. Ang isang hurdle namin, gusto namin mapunta sa isang festival. Kasi ako Cinemalaya baby ako. So I appreciate the festival. So when we got the call that we want to see, we have to do Sinag and everything. So we were quite happy kasi nga iba yung suporta kasi ng isang festival. Ang Sinag kasi I think they're focused like concentrating on the local cinema and everything and supporting the independent filmmakers, the regional and everything. So we were quite happy. And sabi ko nga, pwede tayo nga. We don't have to look for another festival. Isang festival na naman kailangan ko para to seal the deal. So I'm very thankful that that we got into Sinag Maynila. Kung nalaman ko lang talaga na may Sinag Maynila na matatanggap ko Sinag, hindi na kami nag-premiere last year. Hinintay na lang kasi it cost us so much to do the premiere last time. Ang dami ng gagagastos namin. Isipin mo, Butch, kung nag-premiere kami dito, puno to. Kaya wala lang tao dito kasi yung mga target market dito ay napanood na nila yan sa Met, napanood nila sa UP, napanood na nila sa Lasal and everything. Pero nakakagulat, sa mga screening may mga tao na 3 beses na nilang napanood and everything. There are a lot of, actually dapat mas marami kayo. There's a lot of people who bought tickets from us na alam kung kaya lang naman sila to support pero they didn't come. So we appreciate that. Din ako saying, mas kailangan namin yung tao sa seats and everything. So yun. So maraming salamat sa pagpunta and we truly appreciate it. And if you have the power or you have the influence or someone have the power to bring us to the school, please help us. Kasi ang dami namin nilapitan na nakaka-disappoint, nakaka-distressing na hindi talaga, parang no one wants to take. Alam mo yun. And this is something like you can show to your students and everything that they would learn something. Parang ang knowledge nila ng cinema, hindi lang yung nasa Metro Manila Film Fest last year. They would have this sense of history, it's aspirational, and teachers din. Si Doy, I think, teacher of the century and everything. Alam mo yun, sobrang, whatever, parang ganun. So, please help us. Ang target lang talaga namin is to bring to the schools. We don't really care about theatrical screening kasi alam namin wala namang pupunta sa sinehan. Pero if you bring it to the schools, that's the target market.
Well, hindi ko alam kung ano nakain ni Milo. Pero, teacher of the century. Oh my God! Parang, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano pumasok sa ulo ni Milo. Pati itong production manager and producer niya, hindi ko rin alam. Pero, yeah, maraming salamat na lang doon sa mga nanood ng pelikula. Mali ang choice mo ng subject, Milo. Kung gusto mo ng audience talaga, si anong dapat na pinili mo?
So actually, dagdagan ko na rin. Sir Butchie may or may not know, ang pasok ni Myra at Cinema Maynila was in the first year. Was under Tupog Imatoy. He was one of the producers. And you know naman the history of Tupog Imatoy, it won here and abroad. So, yun. And a little anecdote about the whole process. Yung kwento sa akin, sabi nga ni Sir Day, anong lalabas ng film na to? Silent film? Kasi yun nga, what? Oh my God. So, pero sir, alam nyo, sabi nga nila, silent waters run deep. So, napakalalim ng inyong nabigay. Gusto ko yan, di ba? I really like using anecdotes. I think that's what Sir Doy has done. It's kind of like an iceberg. Sa tip lang, pero kung may ilalim, ang lalim talaga, di ba? So, yun.
Thank you for that. Before I proceed to my last request,